the difference between good and well? Hello everyone and welcome to my English planet. So good versus well. What's the difference between them? Should we say she drives good or she drives well? Well, in the next 2 minutes, I'll explain the difference between them in a very simple way, and at the end, I'll give you a quick quiz to test your understanding. So now we can go and let's get started. Well, here is my timer, and I have only 2 minutes to talk, and this is my challenge right now. So let's get started. So, good versus well. Good and well can be so similar to each other, but they are really different. And the main difference is here that good is an adjective, but well is an adverb. An adjective describes a noun, a person, a thing, an animal, like tall, short, big, small, good, bad. I can say that she is a good teacher. He is a good driver. It was a good day. He is tall. She is short. But an adverb is used to describe a verb, how something is done, how someone does something. Like I can say she drives well or he paints very well. So I can say that she is a good teacher because the word good is describing the word teacher. She is a good teacher. Okay? But I cannot say she teaches well. Sorry, I cannot say she teaches good. I'm sorry. She teaches well. How does she teach? Well, she teaches well, very well. It's the way that she teaches. Okay? Here are some other examples like he is a careful driver. He drives carefully. Okay? Careful adjective, carefully adverb. Or she's a slow walker. Slow adjective, and she walks slowly. Slowly adverb. But here is an exception that the word well can sometimes be an adjective, but with a different meaning. Like imagine that someone says, "How are you?" You can say I'm good. It means that I'm fine, everything is okay, so I'm good. Also, you can say I'm well. Well is an adjective here, and it means that you are healthy. Imagine that you've been sick and now you say, I'm well, I'm better, I'm healthier right now. So I'm well. Yeah, my time's over and I think I said everything. And just remember that good is an adjective, but the word well is usually an adverb, but in some sentences, an adjective, but with a different meaning. So here comes the quiz. I write this sentence here with 3 blanks, and you must fill in the blanks with the words good and well. You can use one of them twice, okay? So please pause the video and try to fill in the blanks with these 2 new words. Go on. Well, it seems that you're done. You have thought and you have written your answers in the comments, and I will check your answers for you. You can test your understanding right now, okay? So please do it. And that's it. I told you the difference between good and well. If this video helped you and it was good, don't forget to check the playlist What's the Difference in 2 minutes. There are great lessons there waiting for you, and also lots of other things that you can find here. So don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and tell me in the comments, what should I compare next? I will see you in the next video, and bye bye. Bye.